What do I miss? What do I miss? Isn't she the dear, with whom I wished forever near? Wasn't she my joy, my light, my company in lonely night? Do we, with time, take different paths? What do I miss now, as time flies past? Isn't she the same as years ago? Though change has touched us, as we grow, I've changed too, just like the rest. Together, we could change and still be blessed. I wish we stayed in youthful grace, never moving from our place. What do I miss? Her youthful grace, more delicate than a rose's face, more tender than the midnight moon, her smile that took my heart to swoon. What do I miss? Perhaps she too misses a man, pure as morning dew. Why does life pull us apart, when we could stand, one soul, one heart? Why do we leave each other's embrace? Why let go of hands, our sacred space? Do our paths cross once again, in the realm of might have been? Perhaps I don't just miss my dear, but also the young man, once pure, clear,